Hi class, I'm Michael Roscoe, and today I'm going to show you how to make a histogram. I thought a good place to start would be with a completed histogram so you can visualize the product you're going to be making. As you can see, here's the histogram. We also created these areas here in the spreadsheet. This here was given to you. The first step is to open waiting time data in the histogram example Excel file. You'll notice that this file contains your data in the first two columns, A and B. And as we can see, if we scroll down, we've got 50 observations of daily average waiting time. The next step is to copy and paste the daily sample means, the X bars, into column E. Next, we want to sort the data in column E. Click on Sort and sort from smallest to largest. You can observe now that the range for the lowest value of 24 goes to a highest value of 65. That is our range. The next step is to determine the number of bins by dividing the range by the number of class intervals that you desire. For example, if you had a range of 42, and if you decide upon 6 intervals, then each interval would be 7 points apart, or 42 divided by 6 equals 7. The class intervals are referred to as bins. Label cell G1 as bins. Next, we move to step 5. Place the ending value of each class interval in column G beginning in row 2. While this might appear a bit counterintuitive, this is the way Excel is set up. So place 30 in G2, 37 in G3, and so on. So after placing these values in column G, we are now ready to create the histogram. Next, click on Data, and then click on the Data Analysis box. These analysis tools will pop up. Click on Histogram, hit OK. In the pop-up box that appears, enter cell ranges for the following. First, the input range should be E1 to E51. You can click on this icon here and then highlight column E, including the label. Click this icon again, and we go back to the pop-up box, and you can see the range is now entered in there. The next step is to click on the bin range in the icon below, and now highlight the range for the bins, starting with G1. Click on this icon here, and again you can see that it's popped in, and previously I had set the output range. And next you need to set the output range, which is J1. Next, check off labels right here and chart output. Next, click on OK. And as you can see, our histogram has appeared. Also appearing is a table which has bins and frequency. So this indicates that in the bin or interval 24 to 30, we have 12 observations. From 31 to 37, we have 14, and so forth. And these relative frequencies are shown in the histogram over here. So with the cell range or the interval range ending at 30, you can see we've got 12. The interval range going from 31 to 37, we've got 14, and so on. I hope you found this helpful.